Hey everyone, in this section I'm going to show you how to format your data in percentage format. So very similar to the currency format lesson, we're going to go equals rand between, hit tab to autofill. We'll do 1 and 500 for our top and bottom radius to give us some random numbers. Click on that cell, just copy it all the way down. Boom, it's going to give us a nice random set of numbers to work with. So what you want to do, once again, is select the column that you're working with, or row, depending on how you are sorting your data, if you're putting it horizontally or vertically. You want to select all of your data. You're going to go over here to the format section and click on percentage style. Because the way that we entered the numbers, it's going to give us very high percentages. But if you were to just do 4, for example, or even 0.04, copy that down, click on percentage, it's going to automatically present that data in the percentage format as 4%, right? Because if you had just put 4 and clicked percentage, it's going to give you 400, because that's how the denominations work when you're working inside of Excel. If you wanted to do 40, you're going to do 0.40, or you could just do 0.4, click enter, and then go back to that and put it in the percentage format, and that's going to be 40%. So just know the differences when you're doing numbers. They're not formatted with a decimal place and then the number you're entering, right? And you're just doing 37 instead. When you format these two numbers, you're going to get drastically different results. Okay, everyone, that's how you format your data in percentage format. Thanks.